learned partial fractions of type 1, type 2 already in the earlier sessions. So now we are going to learn type 3, type 4 in proper fraction and type 5, type 6 in improper fraction. What is type 3? What is type 3? What type 3 says is f of x by g of x is a proper fraction. We are in proper fraction, resolving f of x by g of x into partial fraction. That means type 3. F of x by g of x is a proper fraction. G of x contain a factor ax square plus bx plus c. G of x, denominator, contains a factor ax square plus bx plus c. For each ax square plus bx plus c, there will be a partial fraction of form ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. G of x contains irreducible quadratic expression. For each quadratic expression of g of x, for each quadratic expression, it is irreducible quadratic polynomial, there will be a partial fraction of the form ax plus b by ax plus bx plus c. Is it clear? So here, when a comma b are real numbers, to be calculated. F of x by g of x is a proper fraction. G of x contains a factor ax square plus bx plus c. For each ax square plus bx plus c, there will be a partial fraction of the form ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c, where a comma b are real numbers that to be calculated. For example, 2x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. It contains x minus 1 of degree 1, x square plus x plus 1 is an irreducible polynomial of degree 2, and the numerator is of degree 1. F of x degree is 1, g of x degree is 3. It's a proper fraction, isn't it? It's a proper fraction. How to resolve it into partial fractions? So 2x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 can be written as, for x minus 1 of type 1, we can write it as a by x minus 1 plus here x square plus x plus 1 is the irreducible polynomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c. For ax square plus bx plus c, there will be a partial fraction of the form ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c. So for x square plus x plus 1, I write it as, already I wrote in the a, so I write it here as bx plus c by x square plus x plus 1. Here we have to calculate a, b and c, isn't it? This fraction, proper fraction, is split into two partial fractions, the two proper fractions. Here we have to calculate a, b, c. How to calculate a, b, c? Therefore 2x plus 1 is equal to a into x square plus x plus 1 plus bx into x minus 1 plus c into x minus 1. Is it clear? A into x square plus x plus 1 plus bx into x minus 1 plus c into x minus 1. So when you compare comparing x square coefficient. Here it is 0, LHS. RHS is A plus B. And then when you put in the x is equal to 1, when you put x is equal to 1, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. Therefore, LHS is 2 plus 1 is equal to, when you put x is equal to 1, this becomes 3a. So, a is equal to 1. When you substitute a is equal to 1, b becomes minus 1. So, what do we have to calculate? We have to calculate in the C. For this, substitute x is equal to 0. Is it clear? Or comparing constant, any one of it. So put x is equal to 0. Comparing constants, or put x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, this becomes 1 is equal to a plus, this becomes 0 plus c into minus 1. Since a is equal to 1, c becomes 0. So when you replace a with 1, b with minus 1 and c with 0, we will get this partial fraction as a is equal to 1. There is 1 by x minus 1 minus x by minus 1 into x is minus x plus 0, that is minus x by x square plus x plus 1. Is it clear? So this proper fraction can be split into two partial fractions with the help of type 1 and with the help of type 3. There is one of the important types where ax square plus bx plus a is irreducible, non-repeated polynomial. Then there is the method of resolving it into partial fractions. Here also f of x by g of x is a proper fraction. F of x by g of x is a proper fraction. G of x contains ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of n. Where ax square plus bx plus c is irreducible. Is it clear? F of x by g of x is a proper fraction. G of x contains a factor. G of x contains a factor ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of n, where ax square plus bx plus c is irreducible. Then, for each ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of n, there will be partial fractions. There will be partial fractions of form. Okay, for one it is a1x plus b 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Next plus a1x plus b1 by ax square plus bx plus c is first term. What is the second term means? a2x plus b2 by ax square plus bx plus c whole square plus a3x plus b3 by ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of 3. So on, anx plus bn by ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of n. As that of type 2, repeated linear factors. We wrote in a1 by something, a2 by a3 by an by a1 ax plus b, ax plus b whole square, ax plus b whole, same method. F of x by g of x is a proper fraction. G of x contains factors. A factor of this form where ax square plus bx plus c is irreducible. This is an irreducible polynomial. I already discussed about the reducible and irreducible in earlier classes. Therefore, it's irreducible polynomial. Then for each ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of n, repeated n times, there will be a partial fraction of this form. It contains n partial fractions. For this term in the g of x, you can have n partial fractions. Is it clear? Well, ai and bi for I is equal to 1 to n are real numbers, are real to be calculated. This is the last type in proper fractions. There is the last type in proper fractions. Last type in proper fractions, where the proper fraction is resolved into partial fractions. There is the last type in proper fraction. For example, is it clear? F of x by g of x is a proper fraction. G of x contains a factor like this, where the ax square plus bx plus c is irreducible. Then, for each ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of n, there will be a partial fraction of form a1x plus b1 by single term, a2x plus b2 by whole square, a3x plus b3 by whole cube, x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cube. X square plus 1 is irreducible polynomial of degree 3. This is g of x. F of x degree is 4. G of x degree is 6. Therefore, degree of f of x is greater than the degree of f of x degree is less than the degree of g of x. Therefore, it's a proper fraction. So, this comes under type 3. Since it is irreducible and repeated polynomial of degree 2, therefore, this comes under type 4. What type 4 says is f of x by g of x is a proper fraction and g of x contains ax square plus bx plus c, irreducible polynomial of degree n. Then it can be split into n partial fraction. Now I split this. Look here, x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cube can be written as a1x plus b1 by x square plus 1 plus a2x plus b2 by x square plus 1 whole square, then a3x plus b3 by x square plus 1 whole cube. Is it clear? Right? And then how to calculate the a1, b1, a2, b2, a3, b3? There is x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 is equal to a1x plus b1 into, if you take LCM, since of degree 2, degree 1 is here, this becomes x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1. And then a2x plus b2 into x square plus 1. And then a3x plus b3. In order to calculate a1, b1, a2, b2, a3, b3, comparing x power 5 coefficient. X power 5 coefficient. Look here, x power 5 coefficient, here x power 5 coefficient is 0, whereas here x power 5 coefficient is a1. a1x into x power 4 is x power 5. There is no other x power 5 here, therefore a1 is the x power 5 coefficient in RHS. X power 5 coefficient in LHS is 0, therefore a1 is 0. And then comparing x power 4 coefficient. Comparing x power 4 coefficient. Here x power 4 coefficient is 1 is equal to, here x power 4 coefficient is b1. Is it clear? X power 4 coefficient is b1. Next, what else? Comparing x power 3 coefficient. X power 3 coefficient in LHS is 0, and here it is a1, the 2a1, b1 is not there. For a2 it is plus a2, and there is no other x cubed coefficient, therefore since a1 is 0, a2 is also 0. Is it clear? And then if you take x square coefficient, comparing x square coefficient, look here, x square coefficient here is 24. 24 is equal to Here x square coefficient will not exist, therefore for b1 x square coefficient is 2b1. Here x square coefficient will not exist. For b2 it is plus b2, and there is no other coefficients. Since b1 is 1, b2 is 24 minus 2 into 1, that is 22. Then comparing x coefficient. Compare x coefficients. Here there is no x coefficient. Here it is a1. So 0 is equal to a1. And then here x coefficient is a2. Here x coefficient is a3. Since a1 is 0, a2 is 0, therefore a3 is also 0. And then put x is equal to 0 or compare constant. When we put x is equal to 0, this becomes 28 is equal to, this becomes 0, and these two terms become 0, therefore this b1. When you put x is equal to 0, this becomes 0 and this becomes 0, we remain with the b2, and here this becomes 0, remain with the b3. Isn't it? Therefore, since b1 is 1, b2 is 22, and b3 value is, if you minus 23, you get the 5. So when you substitute a1 is equal to 0, a2 is equal to 0, a3 is equal to 0, this becomes 0. So we remain with this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. When you say replace b1 with 1, it becomes 1 by x square plus 1. b2 with the 22, it becomes 22 by x square plus 1 whole square. When you replace b3 with the 5, this becomes 5 by x square plus 1 whole cube. Is it clear? This is of type 4. It can be done very easily with some other alternative method. We'll look into it. Here we have to compare x power 5, x power 4, x cubed, x square, x, and then constants to find the value of a1, b1, a2, b2, and a3, b3. Right. Look here. If you take x square plus 1 is equal to y, x square plus 1 is equal to y, this becomes x square is equal to y minus 1. X power 4 becomes y square minus 2y plus 1. Replace this here. Y square minus 2y plus 1, and then x square with y minus 1. This becomes 24 into y minus 1. 24 minus 24, 24y minus 24 plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cubed becomes y cubed. This I can write it as y square by y cubed as 1 by y, and then 24 minus 2 becomes plus 22 y by y cube, and then 1 plus 28, 29 minus 24 is 5 by y cube. Gets cancelled too. This becomes 1 by, what is y? X square plus 1. And what is y square? This is x square plus 1 whole square, and then 5 by x square plus 1 whole cube. Look here, same values. This is the best method, I think, when compared with